I'm Dr. D. Geeta Priya. I belong to Dr. Pankaj Talwar sir's class of batch 136 and course 2. And now I'm with the sample now, which was already kept in the incubator for 30 minutes. So now I think everything got mixed, and through the micropore, all the good sperms must have come up to the outlet. Now I'm going to load the sample from the outlet.
So fix at the outlet. Fix. Keep your thumb here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fix it tightly. Fix it. Screw. Yes. Now gently aspirate. I'm holding. Move this side. Move this side.
Yes, sir.
Pull it up. No?
With the left hand.
No. She is recording for you. No, so you'll have to see. Chalo. Leave. Like this way.
Okay.
So that somebody can record. So now you can do. Undo.
Yes, sir.
Pull very gently, very quick, very gently. 0.4. Keep doing very gently. You apply too much of suction, it will create eddies, and then
0.4 has come.
No, 0.4 will not come at 0.3. Keep moving up, and now some more. This okay. Okay. So now what we do is remove, and now you'll put one drop over here. A very small drop, a very tiny drop you put here. No, he's seeing, madam, he's seeing. Put a very small drop. A very tiny drop you put here.
Touch it.
Touch.
Yeah.
No, you're taking a very big drop, so I'm just gonna take it back. Here you are. I'm gonna put the cover slip. And now in case you've done it correctly, it should be seen right away. It doesn't make a difference. So once focused, it is focused. Now, it depends upon. Here I am. I'll reduce the light a bit and go up and down. And here is what I get. Can you see the difference? This is a very clear. Can you see the sample now?
Epithelial cells are gone, round cells are gone, RBCs.
You are the witness.
Nothing is.
You are the witness.
Okay.
You are the witness. I've not done anything. Have you done anything?
No, sir.
I've not. So do you get any agglutination here?
We will move it and see, sir, whether we have.
Yeah, you move it, but you will find any WBC you see here.
No.
Look at the sperms. Look at their capacitation.
The motility is increased.
So in case you keep moving, somebody can move from there, and you'll find. Just keep focusing here, and you'll find that there is hardly any sperm. No from here. No, I'll do it. You won't find any sperm which is actually bad. And if you find a bad sperm, that's okay. But overall, the sample has become
very
clear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
With this sample, we can carry out IUI, and we hardly find any sample which is any sperm which is bad. And you look at the sperm now, beautiful sperms you are getting. And in case I go back to my 20x, see, Semen Sample. So we do get one out sperm which is not good, but all your WBCs, aggregation, agglutination have gone, and all the good sperms have come. This is sample number 1. Now we'll mount sample number 2. Okay? एक syringe लाते हैं.